need a comb, a brush, one hair tie, one barrette, and some equal styling gel. So I'm going to start off by parting my hair into a straight line so I can have a straight braid for my hairstyle that I'm doing today. I'm going to keep on parting into a straight. I'm going to part the side of my hair so I can have a straight braid going straight, not curved, not up, not down, going straight. I'm going to put that part into a little bun so I can start off doing my puff ball I'm going to do. So I'm going to get my comb and comb the back of my hair so it won't have no tangles, no curls back there. So I'm going to keep on combing the sides, the back, the front to get everything combed out so my hair won't be nappy. So I'm going to keep on combing it until it's ready for me to do my puff ball. I'm going to get my equal styling gel so I can be able to gel the back of my hair. So I'm going to put a little bit on my fingers and rub it together in my hands and spread it all throughout my hair. So my hair will have a lot of gel in, not a lot of gel, but some type of a lot of gel in my hair so it could be good to put in the puff ball that I'm needing to do. So I'm going to keep on rubbing the gel and putting it in my hair so my ponytail will look nice for my hairstyle. I'm going to get my brush and I'm going to start off by brushing the back of my hair, and then next I'm going to go to the side of my hair so it can look perfect, not bumpy, not nothing. I want it to be right, just right. So I'm going to keep on brushing my hair till it's good. I'm going to get my hair tie and wrap that part of my hair into a little puff ball so I can start off by braiding the front part of my hair. So I'm going to put it in a little tight puff ball. Now I'm going to start off by taking the little bun out of my hair so I could be able to braid my hair. So I'm going to start putting a little bit of gel in my hair so it can look right and tight for the braid that I'm going to do. So I'm going to start by braiding the front of my hair all the way to the bottom of the braid. So I'm going to keep on braiding it, a tight braid, not a loose braid, a tight braid so it will look good for your hairdo that you're doing today. If the braid don't look good, then it ain't done right. So make sure you braid it tight, not loose, tight, because you want it tight. I'm almost finished with my braid. I just need a little bit to do at the end and then I will be done with my braid. Almost done, almost done, almost done. Now I'm done. So now I'm going to redo my puff ball. I'm going to redo my puff ball. I'm going to get my brush and I'm going to brush the front of my hair, the sides of my hair, and I'm going to go to the back of my hair and brush that too, because I didn't do it fully in the first part of the video. So I'm going to do it again and put my braid with my puff ball. I'm going to make sure that my puff ball is tight so the braid can stay in. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to take it out again because it wasn't looking right. So I'm going to brush the back of my hair and the side of my hair so I can get it right, just right how I want it. So I'm going to put the braid into my puff ball and tighten my puff ball so it can look right for the video. So I'm going to put a tight puff ball, not a loose one, a tight one. So I'm going to have to puff it out with my hands. Now I'm going to get my braid and put it in the back of my braid that I did. So I'm going to put the braid in and now I'm puff out my puff ball tight so it can look right. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.